What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to Honest Diecast. Today we are going to do an unboxing, a box that I've been highly anticipating for quite a while. Got some future goodies in here, but to be honest, I don't remember everything that's in here, so it'll be a little bit of a surprise for everybody. I would love to mention where I got this box from, but I no longer do business with this particular person and company, so with that being said, wish them all the best. So let's get to the unboxing. Alrighty, just gonna unravel this off camera. It's a lot of cars. I don't even remember getting this many from this person. Alrighty, so first up, I got the 96 Nissan 180SX in the Advan Deco, the black one. I have a couple of the white ones, but I think I might have only one black one, so definitely wanted to get an extra one of these. Definitely a huge 180SX fan, so stoked to have that. And then an older casting of the Corvette, the C7 Z06. This is probably one of the first variations available for this car. As we know, we had a white one this year, and we're going to have an orange one, orange recolor. But this, I believe, was one of the first variations. So I saw it, and I liked it, and I wanted it, so I got it. And then grabbed two of the Volkswagen T2 pickups in that light baby blue with kind of like the rust look on it. Didn't have this color variation of it, so I definitely wanted to grab it. They were posted up for a good price, so I decided to grab these two. And then in case you didn't know, I do love short cards, and I do love Dodge Demons. So this is the, I believe, the first one of the actual SRT Demon, not the SRT Challenger, but the Demon in the yellow. A little different from K-Case in 2019. This one has skinnies in the front and drag wheels in the back. If you look at the red one has, it doesn't have skinnies in the front. So it's not really set up to look like a drag car. But anyways, I got, I think, one or two of these in long cards. So again, I saw this for a good price and decided to grab it. And then the 2015 Ford Mustang GT in this really, really beautiful color. It's kind of like a metallic gray with like a tealish green kind of, I guess you can say, kind of jaded striping on the top and the doors. Saw it and definitely liked it, so decided to pick that up. And then a casting that you don't really hear me talk about too much, that I do really, really like and enjoy, the 70 Chevy Chevelle. Definitely friggin' sweet. Was definitely a fan of the one that came in the night, I believe it was the Night Burners pack last year, kind of the goldish brown. But definitely I saw these and I definitely wanted to stack these into my Chevelle collection. I did not have any of these, so I got these two and I got two more. And then here's the other two variations of those, of the 70 Chevy Chevelle. Definitely such a sweet casting. Just love how low and aggressive and mean it looks. So definitely a fan of that. Definitely want to do a couple things as far as customs go with these. Really hoping that Mattel and Hot Wheels decided to bring this casting back. Would love to see some more variations of that. Alrighty, moving forward, we'll showcase some loose cars that I was highly looking forward to receiving. So, started with the first one. First one is going to be this sweet 57 Chevy. Saw this, decided to throw an offer on it and won, and boy, that thing is really, really nice. Really love the wheel choice on it. Love the bigger wheels in the back. This is a 57 Chevy. Don't remember exactly where this casting was featured. It might have been featured, oh god, I can't even think of the name of the set right now, but definitely a Sweet 57 that I had to have. And then another domestic casting that I'm quite fond of. I did not have this one loose or carded, so I decided to grab it. This is the Mercury Cougar from the HW Redliner set. Very, very underrated casting in my opinion. Yeah, just love the color, love the wheel choice, obviously. Everything about this car is fantastic. I just really love that car and the Chevelle, just because they're so low and stanced and just look so aggressive. I really enjoy both of those castings. And then we have the black R32 GTR from the Fast and Furious set. Pretty high demand car, along with the Brian's R34 that was in the same set. Got this for a really good price loose, so I decided to grab it. Such a clean casting. Very, very nice. Love it. The tampos are excellent on this one. Just such a great casting. A lot of people don't want to open it because it's starting to get up there in value, so. And then for anybody that knows me, you know I love Porsches, so I definitely had to get one. This is the 964 from, I believe, the track day set, if I remember right. I'm gonna have to look because I don't remember off the top of my head. It's a little late too, so. But definitely such a sweet casting with the Magnus Walker deco. Friggin' awesome. Definitely going in the display case for sure. And then also going in the display case, a loose version of the 2021 A-Case Super Treasure Hunt, the Z32, the 300ZX. Very nice. Absolutely love the color. The color is very, very similar to the R35 GTR and the 2020 G-Case. Tampos are phenomenal. I do like how they chose the chrome Volk T37 lookalikes with that color. Very, very sharp. Absolutely sharp. We'll definitely be looking for that one when 2021 A-Case hits. And then another Super from 2021, the BK Super, the Corvette Roadster. Very, very nice color. Really do like the color on this. Fabulous choice. So as you can see, the 2020 Super Treasures had the 25 TH, and now we're back to regular TH going forward next year. Very, very nice. I will definitely be looking for this one too. I'm sure this will be one of the cheaper Supers, just like the last Corvette Roadster. But nevertheless, really do enjoy the color of this car. Would have been nice if they would have done the rear tampos, but that's okay. Very, very nice. So as far as loose Supers go, we are caught up to B already next year, which is pretty nice. So overall, a pretty eventful and pretty good mail call, I would say. Definitely excited to get a head start on the 2021 Supers for next year. Stay tuned. We're gonna do a couple of customizing videos this week, I promise. We'll get into a little bit of tampo work, wheel swapping, lowering, just simple custom stuff again. I'm hoping in the near future I can bring you guys a little more of an in-depth custom video. But right now, just with time, it's just really hard to do, especially with trying to get out there hunting, staying on top of hunts, because obviously you and I both want to see us get some good finds, so got to stay on top of that. But when time permits, we'll definitely really hit the customization and get started on some more in-depth stuff. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. We'll see you next time.